Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add preset to your photo in the Lightroom. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Let's tap into the Lightroom app itself. You can choose any of the photos, like I'm choosing this one over here, and so all the way down at the very bottom you can see at the very first option you can see preset option. Let's tap in that, and it will give you various option of presets. You can either use this one or make it more greener and stuff like that. So okay, and then also adjust the amount of preset you want. Let's go all the way, or in between, or less. So yeah, once done you have to tap in that correct option. And okay, the thing is that in order to have access to the preset, you need to have a premium account of the Lightroom. So yeah, you can get the premium account in order to have access to the preset. That's it for today's video, and this is how you add presets. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. That's it. We'll see you in the next video.